Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Harts, aka Honda G. I am replacing my Turner single bulbs for this bulb right here. This is a LED bulb, you feel me? And this is like white. This is like white LED, like 6,000K and all that. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I just wanted to change the color and I just want it to look cool, to be honest, man. But this is for the tail lights and stuff like that. And also, that's a Turner signal bulb that I'm changing on right now. And you can use these bulbs for like reverse lights and all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just grateful that I'm able to do a lot of stuff. And this is right here, this is super easy. This is not even hard. And you don't even need tools for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna definitely show you that. So we out. Alright, so this is for the two tail lights right here. I'm gonna do this side and the other side, you feel me? And also, I'm gonna show you this right here. You see this orange thing right here? This is the amber. This is the one that I'm taking out, that I'm replacing with the LED, you feel me? So yeah, man, or if you were to get to this bulb right here, this area over here, this one, the amber light, you have to like undo this clip, but I already took it off a long time ago. I already did both sides already, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta go back here, open this. It's dark as shit too, but I'm gonna have to put a light on it so I can show you. Alright, so as you can see, I had to lighten it up a little bit. This piece right here, this part, this is where the bulb is, the amber bulb. All you gotta do is twist it. You gotta twist it carefully and just take it out. Boom, there you go. There you go. I had to pull it out real quick, you know, because I couldn't do one hand and all that. Then you gotta take this part off and then put the LED on. There you go. So you had to do, just try to like yank it out, but don't, you know, overpressure it. So now I'm gonna put the new one in, you heard? And alright, so I gotta make sure it's being put back properly and all that, you know? Put it back like this. Then turn it. I gotta make sure it goes all the way in, right? All the way in, and now I gotta turn it. Alright, so the bulb is in right now. As you can see, this is the bulb right here. This is a LED white bulb, and I'm about to test it out real quick. Yo, this shit is mad bright. I'm so impressed with this, son. You know what I'm saying? This is beautiful, man. And I had to change up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to do the other side real quick, which I don't have to record. It's not necessary to do that. And then I'm gonna just show you how it really looks like on both sides, you heard? Alright, so this is the other side now, and I'm very impressed with this, man. You know what I'm saying? Both of them is good so far, you know, and I really love it, you know. The white LED lights, I really love it, you feel me? And it's lit, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so I had to switch up real quick, you know what I'm saying? This is mad easy to do and all that. And I just like to look good, you feel me? You know, I don't want to go too far. And some things that I did not plan on doing, but this is mad easy, simple, no hassle, none of that, you know what I'm saying? And that's it. You know, if you want to do it yourself, instead of paying somebody else like $50, $100 just to change the bulb, and it's mad simple, you know what I'm saying? Like, I became my own mechanic and I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for my life. But yeah, that's all I had to say. This is simple. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I got more videos coming soon. Your boy 534 is out.